12. Human physiology 1. Male sex hormone is testosterone. Which of the following is a female sex hormone? Estrogen. Estrogen is secreted by Gaffecan follicle. Which of the following hormone is called emergency hormone? Adrenaline. Adrenal. Which of the following control blood pressure? Adrenal. Life-saving hormone is adrenal. Which one among the following glands is present in pair in human body? Adrenal. Insulin is a kind of hormone. Consider the following minerals. Which of the following given above is are required by human body for the contraction of muscles? Answer is iron and sodium. Which of the following cells secrete insulin? Beta cell. Which of the following gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Pancreas. The filtration unit of kidney is nephron. Islets of Langerhans is situated in pancreas. Corpus luteum is a mass of cells found in ovary. Hormone insulin is a peptide. Which one among the following enzymes is unique in the alimentary canal of cattle? Cellulose. Strongest muscle of man found in jaw. Which of the following organ have its own wave of atomic excitation? Heart. A person feel fatigue due to deposition of a acid in their muscles is lactic acid. Cornea is an important part of eye. Part of eye used during eye donation is cornea. Amount of light entering into the eye is controlled by iris. Image of object is formed on which part of eye? Retina. In the retina of eye cells present for color differentiation. Cones. Function of iris is to regulate the size of pupil. Color of skin depend on melanin. Thickest layer of skin is found on sole. Largest organ of human body is skin. Uppermost layer of skin is called epidermis. The hardest part of human body is enamel. Which one of the following organ have the capacity of regeneration? Liver. During the process of respiration in human beings, the exchange of gases takes place in alveoli. In an accident, a person's brain was injured due to which he could not regulate body temperature, hunger and water balance. Which one among the following parts of his brain was affected? Hypothalamus. Tear of men have an enzyme which kill the bacteria. Lysozyme. Weight of an animal body is mostly the weight of water. The number of essential amino acids found in men 20. Myoglobin contain the metal copper. Normal temperature of human body is 36.9 degrees Celsius. Blood bank of human body is spleen. Bile is stored in gallbladder. Weight of human brain in gram is 1350. Normal temperature of human body on the Kelvin scale is 310. If the radius of blood vessels decrease, the blood pressure will increase. Number of spinal nerve is 10, 12, 15. None of these. Main function of a skeleton is to provide the shape of body. In whole body mass, the percentage of blood is 9%. By EEG electroencephalograph, we can observe the activity of brain. Number of valves found in human heart 4. Alpha keratin is a protein present in skin. Match the hormone in list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using codes given below. List 1 adrenaline, adrenal, anger, fear, danger, estrogen, females, insulin, glucose, pheromones, attracting partners through sense of smell. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. List 1 atropine, dilation of pupil, ether, local anesthesia, nitroglycerin, heartbeat, pyrethrin, mosquito control. Match list 1 endocrine gland with list 2 hormones secreted and select the answer. List 1 gonads, progesterone, pituitary, growth hormone, pancreas, insulin, adrenal, cortisone. With reference to the human body, consider the following statement. The production of somatostatin goes up when a person exercises. Stress causes the adrenals to release very less amount of cortisol than usual. The vitamin which is water soluble and generally excreted in urine is vitamin C. With reference to normal human beings, consider the following statement. In response to the presence of HCl, secretin is produced from the duodenum. Androgesterone is produced in the small intestine in response to the presence of fatty acid. Both the statements are correct. Assertion A. All the proteins in our food are digested in small intestine only. Reason R. The protein digesting enzyme from pancreas are released into small intestine. Answer is A is false but R is true. Which one of the following is not an enzyme? Oxytocin. Assertion A. The person with diabetes insipidus feel thirsty. Reason R. A person with diabetes insipidus suffers from excess secretion of vasopressin. A is true but R is false. Assertion A. Drinking of whiskey increases the frequency of urination. Alcohol intake speed up the secretion of vasopressin in the body. Both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. In human body, which one of the following hormones regulate blood calcium and phosphate? Parathyroid hormone. Which one of the following is a rich source of energy? Carbohydrate. In human body, what is the number of cervical vertebra? 7. Which one of the following is considered as the easily digestible source of protein? Soya bean. In the human body, Cowper's gland form a part of which one of the following? Reproductive system. Athletes with higher proportion of red fibers in their muscles are better equipped for which of the following? Swimming. Consider the following: cartilage, blood, neurons. Which of the above are connective tissues? Answer is cartilage and blood. Consider the following: enzyme and protein can be correlated with each other in following ways. All enzyme are protein, all protein are not enzyme. The tracking of people by trained dogs is based on the recognition of which of the following compound in the sweat from feet? Carboxylic acids. Cylindrical lens is used by a person suffering from astigmatism. Which one of the following organs of the human body break down the old red blood cell and store iron from them? Spleen. Which part of the alimentary canal in human beings receive the secretion of liver and pancreas through a common duct? Duodenum. The short upper part of human intestine next to the stomach is called duodenum. Consider the following statements. The nervous tissue in human body contain phosphorus. In neurons, sulfur occurs in nature. Sulfur always occurs in combined state. Which of the following given above are correct? Neither one nor two are correct. With reference to a small human being, which one of the following statement is not correct? An adult human may secrete 1 to 1.5 liter of saliva per day. This is not correct. And the correct statements are: human saliva is slightly alkaline. Saliva is secreted by 6 pairs of salivary glands in human beings. The salivary enzyme ptyalin breaks down cooked starch into maltose. Consider the following statements. Which of these statements are correct? Heart is four-chambered in birds. All reptiles respire by lungs only. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Answer is the insulin produced in the human body is chemically a steroid compound and the correct statement are person who have had organ transplant are treated with steroid to suppress immune system. Some yeast are able to grow on straight chain hydrocarbon. Proteins are often used in manufacture of detergent. A surge of which hormone stimulates ovulation in human females? Luteinizing hormone. Which one of the following enzyme is found in human saliva? Tyline. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Loop of Henle, kidney, fallopian tube, female reproductive system, epidermis, male reproductive system, Cowper's gland, intestine. Answer is Cowper's gland, intestine. Blood is an connective tissue. Consider the following types of cells. Which of the above are white blood corpuscle? Eosinophil, lymphocyte, monocyte, neutrophils. Answer is all of these. Consider the following statement. Which of the statement given above is are correct? Answer is in birds, heart is four-chambered. Earthworm are hermaphrodites. Match list 1 enzyme of digestive juice with list 2 food acted upon and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1 enzyme of digestive juice. List 2 food acted upon. Answer is amylase, starch, lipase, fat, rennin, casein of milk. Consider the following. Which of these are connective tissue? Answer is blood, bone, ligaments, tendons. All of above. With reference to a normal human being, which one of the following statement is not correct? Answer is compared with skeletal muscle, the tissues of intestine are much more affected by the shortage of oxygen. This is not correct. And correct statements are in the arterial blood, hemoglobin is normally 97% saturated with oxygen. Pulmonary artery contains deoxygenated blood. About 70% of the carbon dioxide entering the erythrocytes react with the water to form carbonic acid. The image formed on the retina of human eye is real and inverted. When we eat something we like, our mouth waters. This is actually not water but fluid secreted from salivary gland. White blood cells act as a defense against infection. Human stomach produces acid X which helps in digestion of food. Acid X is hydrochloric acid. Which one among the following statement about stomach is not correct? That is, answer is stomach secretes lipase and amylase in gastric juice. This is not correct. Correct statements are stomach act as a temporary reservoir. Stomach mixes food with gastric juice. Rate of stomach emptying depends on the type of food. Which one of the following organs breaks fat to produce cholesterol? Answer is liver. An individual whose blood type is B may in an emergency donate blood to a person whose blood type is AB or B. Which one among the following statements regarding cell is not correct? Answer is same type of cells are present in all body tissues. This is not correct. And correct statements are shape and size of cells are related to specific function. Some cells have changing shapes. Each cell has its own capacity to perform. Insulin was discovered by Frederick Sanger. Which of the following is a good source of vitamin E? Fresh vegetable. Bile is secreted by gallbladder. The largest organ of human body is liver. Name the vitamin not found in any animal food. Vitamin C. Which part became modified as the tusk of elephant? Second incisor. Which is the largest living bird on earth? Answer is ostrich. Which among the following is largest endocrine gland in the body? Thyroid. Blood does not coagulate inside the body due to the presence of heparin. Hormone insulin is a peptide. In which organ of the human body are the lymphocyte cells formed? Long bone. A person feels on a person feeds on rice and vegetable made up of potato only, he is likely to suffer from deficiency of protein.